It's your girl Dom. Today I'm going to be doing my weekly cash counting tips. I actually missed last week, so this is going to be like 2 weeks worth. The reason why I missed last week is because I didn't have as many cash tips. I had more card tips. And second is because I had went out of town for that weekend, so that's why I did not upload last week. So with that being said, we're just going to go ahead and get started. Count these cash tips. I'm just going to separate these. I think I have a lot of ones again and fives. Y'all see my nails? I got my nails done. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my nails. I like a simple but cute nail look. I don't know why, but you know, I've been going for more of like a simple but cute nail look. Okay, so we're just going to start counting. There's 20, 40, 60, 80. I'm going to use my calculator to keep up. So that's 80. Okay, 80. 10, 20, 30. I'm going to move this in the camera so y'all can see. Plus 30. And that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 25, 80. Plus 80. And ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, plus 35. So that is how much cash tips I got over the last 2 weeks. And like I said in my previous videos, all of my cash tips are going towards my taxes, so I can get those paid off and out the way. That way I can get back on track for using my money towards, like, you know, debt and sinking funds. Okay, so today is the 20th, so that's plus 225. Why did I clear that off? 107, 1607. That's 225. So that's 1832. I hope y'all can read that. My handwriting is terrible right now. So that's 1832. I still have a little ways to go, y'all. Oh, I forgot about this $2 bill. I wonder why did they make a $2 bill, y'all? Like, if y'all know why, let me know in the description below. I love learning new things. I'm constantly on Google or YouTube trying to figure out why the cause effect of anything and everything. Okay. Oh, and another thing, if y'all are single and live by yourself, do y'all file y'all's taxes as head of household or as single? That's another thing I would love to know. Please let me know in the description below. All right, so that is it for this video, y'all. I will see y'all next week in my bi-weekly cash stuffing video. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and like this video as well. I will see y'all later. Bye.